What's up, guys? What's going on? So I have my flashers on right now, and this side's flashing, but this side is not flashing. So I'm going to show you guys how I try to figure this out, because the problem here is there's rivets on here, so I can't replace the bulb. So I want to, before I remove these rivets, I want to make sure it's a fuse or the electrical cable for the chassis. So let me show you guys how to do that. So you're gonna make sure you have yourself a continuity tester. These things come in handy. They make the job a lot easier. And what I'm gonna do is start off from the power of the vehicle, of the truck, to see if that's where the problem's at. And then if it's not this, if it's not the truck, then we'll check the cable, and if it's not the cable, we'll check the connection on the chassis. And then if we can't figure the cable, we'll have to check the wires and connections in here in the chassis. So first things first, I'll pull this one out. So make sure you grab one end of the tester and put the prong into somewhere where it will ground out into the chassis. And then we're just gonna check each prong and see. So the left side should be flashing as well as the right side. Okay, so the right side's working. Alright, so I believe these are marker lights for the trailer, so these are good. This should be the right side blinker, turn signal. This should be the right side turn signal, and this should be the left side turn signal. So we're not getting any contact there. So that means I should go check the fuse now. So let's go check out the fuse. So in this particular truck, it's a Peterbilt. So in the fuse box, all the lights for the trailer are marked as SCM, and then whatever number that goes to. I went through all the SCM. I went through all the SCM fuses until I found which one was for the left turn signal, and I saw that it doesn't work. So again, and by the way, sorry about the mess in the truck. It's a 2023 Peterbilt, and it's already missing all the interior panels. Everything down here is missing. So what happened, they stole my truck, and thankfully I got it back, but they stripped a lot. So that's a work in progress. I might make a video before and after on that one, but that's for another video. What we're gonna do is put this somewhere where it would ground out again. I believe that'll work. So with one prong grounded out to the chassis, I'm gonna go ahead and test the fuse here. No power. There's power on one side. There's no power on this one. There's power on this one. Power on this one. So these are for the turn signals. So I'm pretty sure this is the one that's blown out. Now I'm gonna grab some pliers to pull it out easier. So there you have it. That's the blown out fuse. Now I'm gonna switch it and check the back, see if it works. This is a 25 amp fuse. Make sure you guys always carry extra fuses, because you never know when you're gonna need them. I'm gonna check again here. Power on top, power on bottom. Okay, let's go check the back. Yep, there it is, guys. That's what it was, just a fuse. Simple fix, but that way we don't have to deal with these rivets, thankfully. But the problem would be if it was a blown light, then we would have to grind these off So simple fix. Got these water mountain lights off of Amazon. I think they look nice. This used to be a sleeper truck. It had a sleeper here, so it was a 36-inch sleeper that would go out to about here. And they took that one, they stole it. So I went ahead and converted it to a day cab for now. Still under construction. So right now I just put one seat for now, a legacy seat. It's really comfortable. I added the headliner I'm working on, and I'm working on the back interior also. I'm gonna hopefully get some interior panels. But yeah, it sucks, man. You work so hard for something and people don't care. People will hate to see it. I do recommend you guys carry some pliers like these. Make sure you get yourself a continuity tester. Get yourself a small toolkit. Make sure you have a pair of gloves. Make sure you have a small broom. Even though it does look dirty in here, but it's been raining a lot, so I haven't washed it. I'm gonna wash it this weekend. Get yourself some of these, some glad hand grommets. Forgot what these are called, but they're for your air hoses and your glad hands. Yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Any more suggestions of what you guys think we should be carrying in our toolboxes, let me know down below in the comments, and hit the links too. I'll link some tools and stuff that I think are useful for truckers. And cool, thanks for watching, guys.